Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, class 9th biology. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter number 4, cells and tissues. Today the first topic we shall discuss is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. The difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells can be asked in the examination as a long question. The short questions and MCQs are: the first short question is about the diagram of general prokaryotic cell. The question may be, draw the general prokaryotic cell. The MCQs on this page is: prokaryotic cells are much simpler than the eukaryotic cells. The question on this page is, the first question is, what is the main difference between eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells? The answer is, eukaryotic cells have prominent nucleus bounded by nuclear envelope, while prokaryotic cells don't have prominent nucleus. That is the first question that can be asked as a short question from this page. The next question is about the definition of nucleoid. The prokaryotic cells have DNA which is present near the center of cytoplasm. That region is called nucleoid. The next question is, what is the difference between organelles of eukaryotic cells and organelles of prokaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells have membrane bounded organelles, while prokaryotic cells don't have such membrane bounded organelles. The next question is, what is the difference between the cell wall of prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells? The cell wall of eukaryotic cell is made of cellulose, while the cell wall of prokaryotic cells is made up of peptidoglycan. The MCQs from this page may be: the first one is about the presence of nucleus and absence of nucleus between the two cells. The next one is about nucleoid. The other one is about the membrane bound organelles. Those are present in eukaryotic cells and not present in prokaryotic cells. The ribosomes of eukaryotic cells are larger in size as compared to the ribosomes of prokaryotic cells. There is a difference of size of eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are 10 times larger than prokaryotic cells. Cell wall of eukaryotic cell has cellulose, while the cell wall of prokaryotic cells have peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is a polymer of amino acids and sugars. The next page, relationship between cell function and cell structure, is the topic here. On this page some MCQs are present. The first one is, the bodies of animals and plants are made up of different cell types. Each cell performs a specific function, and human body is made up of about 200 types of cells. Here are the different type of cells which are indicated. The first one is red blood cells. The red blood cells have hemoglobin. Nerve cells can transmit nerve impulse. Xylem cells are tube-like and have thick walls. Xylem cells can conduct water. Xylem cells can give sport. Root hair cells have large surface area. Cells involved in making secretions are more complex. Cells involved in photosynthesis have chloroplasts. All these cells can be asked as short question or as MCQs as well. The next page, here are some MCQs. Nerve cells conduct nerve impulses. Muscle cells can undergo contraction and they are involved in the movement of the body. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells kill foreign agents. Skin cells act as physical barrier against foreign materials. The bone cells can deposit calcium. The next one is the short question, and that is cell as an open system. The question may be, how cell works as open system? A cell works as open system because it takes in substances needed for its metabolic activities through cell membranes. The next topic is cell size and surface area to volume ratio. The first question from this page is, what are mycoplasmas? The smallest cells are bacteria. These are called as mycoplasmas. Their diameter is between 0.1 to 1 micrometer. Mostly MCQs are asked from this page. The first one is about the mycoplasmas. The other one is about the diameter of mycoplasmas. The bulkiest cells are bird egg and the longest cells are nerve cells. Cell size and shape is related to cell function, and most cells are small in size and red blood cells are only 8 micrometer in diameter. Our tiniest blood vessels are capillaries. The page which you are seeing, there may be some MCQs. A cubical shape has 6 sides and its surface area is 6 times the area of one side. Surface area of one large cube is 5400 micrometer square. Surface area of one small cube is 600 micrometer square, and surface area of 27 small cubes is 16,200 micrometer square. There are also some MCQs on this page. The first one is need of nutrients and rate of waste production are directly proportional to cell volume. Cell takes up nutrients and excretes wastes through its surface cell membrane. A large volume cell demands large surface area. Membranes of small cells can serve their volumes more easily than the membrane of large cell. So today we have discussed some more topics of chapter number 4, cells and tissues. Inshallah, next we shall discuss the other topics of the same chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz.